Hey everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Transfer, where we make technology easy and fun to understand. In this video, we are diving into really interesting question: Python versus Power Automate. Which one you should use for automation? Let's explore both and help you decide what fits your needs best. Why this comparison? Why we are even comparing Python with Power Automate? Well, both are popular tools used for automation, but they are designed for different types of users and tasks. If you are confused about which one to pick, this video is going to give you clarity. Let's start with the Python. Python is general purpose programming language. It's super powerful and you can automate pretty much anything with it. Web scraping, file handling, data processing, APIs, you name it. But yes, it does require some coding knowledge. So it's a great fit for developers, techies, or anyone ready to learn programming skills. Now, Power Automate is a low code automation tool by Microsoft. It's designed for ease of use. With a drag and drop workflow building, it's great for automating business tasks like email notification, data transfer, and approvals inside the Microsoft ecosystem. No heavy coding needed here. So, what's the difference? Python gives you maximum control, but you need to code everything. Power Automate is easier to get started with, but it's more limited in a flexibility. Python is better when you are interacting APIs or building complex logic. Power Automate shines when you are dealing with Office 365 apps or SharePoint workflows. Use Python when you want to build advanced automations, scrap data from website or analyze files. It's your go-to if you are working with large database, machine learning or a custom integrations. It's also ideal if you are planning to become a developer or a data analyst. Use Power Automate when you want to quickly automate tasks like sending emails, moving files, and triggering approvals. It's perfect if you work in a business environments and mostly use Microsoft tools like Outlook, Excel, and Teams. And yes, beginners loved it because it doesn't need any kind of code. So, what's the final verdict? There's no one size fits at all. It really depends on your goal and skill levels. Start with a Power Automate if you want quick wins without much coding, but definitely learn Python if you want long term power and flexibility. And hey, why not both? Combine them and become Automate superstar. So mark my words. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you understand the difference between Python and Power Automate. If you found it useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more tech insights. And let me know in the comments which do you use or plan to learn. Until next time, keep learning and keep automating. Bye.